was at this moment she knew she messed up.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy Chevy. We are back in another video. What we're doing right now is we got to go over. I'm getting the vet right now. I'm at my parents' crib right now. I'm storing the vet over here because the house, you guys already know, is gone. We're looking for the next one right now. So anyways, got to get the vet out. We got the Corvette meet that's happening today. We're meeting up at a spot. It's a car blessing. We did this last year. It was my first year of the group, second year now. If you guys are watching this, this is a continuation of the truck video that I did last week. So let's go ahead and get the car out. Man, I haven't been in this thing in a minute. Woo, look at this thing, bro. Looking clean. Yeah, right, this thing is super dirty right now. As I said, super dirty right now, but man, I am happy to be back in the vet. Whip this thing at least for the day, put this thing back up. We got to find a new home for this thing. And hopefully with a big enough garage to fit this in there, BMW in there, and Shorty's car in there. But we'll have to see. All right, so you already know I'm at the touchless car wash. I got to get washed on this car. Don't have enough time to wash this thing by hand. So got this touchless car wash. And if you guys didn't know, the window's in, right? So feeling better about the window. I got to get this thing tinted still. So one side's tinted, you can see here. The other side, it's really hard to tell from the inside, so I don't even really think it matters that much, but I want to get this one tinted immediately, so that way we can get this thing looking all cohesive again. I'm super excited to see what's out here today. Bro, this wash is super loud, but I hope you guys are hearing me perfectly fine. Car should hopefully get nice and cleaned up so we can look good at the show, somewhat good. I got to do a lot of work to this car, but I do have a huge surprise for y'all, a huge one coming up on the BMW. You know, you guys asked for it. I made sure to get it done. I ordered the parts came in. I'm gonna just save that thing for you guys to check that out in this video. All right, gang, so we are out here. We are showed up now. You guys can see the vet. It's looking clean. They got it parked there, and that's the Pops right there. We got Mom's over here, son. Right there, C7. You got Mom's, Pops, mine. Looking pretty clean out here. We got a good amount of vets out here, so things are looking clean. We got a little bit of different things. I'm gonna take you guys around, show you a quick clip of what showed up. And Shorty should be heading here pretty soon. I asked her to pick me up some energy drinks before she got here because your boy has been exhausted after selling the house, bro. My beautiful wife is pulling up now. Here goes Shorty right here.
Hello.
What's up, baby?
Hey. How are you?
Pretty well, yourself?
Brought you goodies.
Oh, thanks, love. I just got here a moment ago.
You did?
Yeah. You already know. And I gotta get something to eat over there too. Boy is starving.
Tell him look at my wrist. Tell him look at my wrist. All these haters wanna watch. Tell him look at my wrist. All these haters just watch. Tell him look at my wrist.
All right, so it is now the next day. We're getting ready to go over to this other car dyno day right now. It's for a Camaro club. Gonna see what's popping up out there. They're expecting like 500 cars. I don't know. They're also gonna have the dynos, but they're only doing two-wheel drive on the dynos. I decided today I want to bring the BMW. We whipped the Corvette yesterday. So let's go ahead and get the BMW out. And today we're bringing Shorty with us. So should be a good day. Beautiful weather. Couldn't ask for much more. Let's do that. But first, we got to get this thing washed. This thing is dirty. Look at it. I'm sure you guys are dealing with all the pollen right now where you're at. It's crazy here right now. I almost forgot. Let's get a start up on this thing. That sound will never get old. This thing sounds so good, bro. Shout out AWE for making an awesome exhaust, and that catless downpipe is doing its job. Maybe we'll get Shorty on a launch today. I'm sure you guys would like to see that. So we've now showed up. We are at the spot. Bro, we are out of place, but it's all good though. It's a whole bunch of Camaros out here. Muscle cars. I should have brought the vet, but you know what I'm saying? We gotta rock something different for the day. Bro, this Z06 is clean. I love this color of this Z06.
Give me that, give me that good. 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 Give me that good. I'm in my bag, so these real mad. Got a tricking off money out of glad bag. First class in the flight for that. I'm a real raw, baby, I ain't gotta brag. Think my what you stupid, blind, serving face, got him clueless. All these wanna be me, I'm the blueprint. Claiming you the baddest, but you ain't even cute. Make a fall in love, call me Cupid. Throw it back on the, make him lose it. Take it, yellow, got him choosing. Put this on his face, told the little chew it. Right.
Got a baby in the front. You too.
All right, gang, so we're gonna go ahead and get a launch in and see what Shorty thinks. You ready?
Oh my god!
What do you think?
That was good.
Yeah? That was good.
I don't know what to say. I think my face said it all.
This thing scoots out, man. I tell you guys, in person, it scoots out. Like, video does not do it justice. Y'all don't want this.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. Like no.